Good day guys, and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I will show you how to enable God mode for advanced settings in Windows 11. So you need to go to your desktop, right click on an empty space, hover over new, and then just create a new folder, okay, and give it some kind of name. Alright, so let me just do it here in another folder, right click, new folder, and then guys, you need to apply this kind of name, okay, this precise code that will make sure to give you those God mode permissions. So just copy this string and then just paste it as the name of this new folder you're creating. And then just hit enter. And as you can see, it now changed to this specific icon. So this icon is going to be pretty much a control panel shortcut, and then double click it to reveal a master list of categorized tweaks from disk management to advanced driver adjustments. Alright, so here you go. As you can see, now we have the God mode. And we have a list of different things that you can see in here that you can use for your convenience. So that is pretty much everything you need to do in order to use any of these. For example, change the time zone, just double click, and of course the corresponding window with particular settings will appear on your screen. So unlocking God mode streamlines your operating system optimization by placing every deep configuration switch right at your fingertips. Enjoy the guide guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.